Well, I don't know about you guys, but do you know the feeling when you had a really good party going on last night and next morning you kind of wake up, it is the day after, and you realize, well, you had a blast, but something else is missing. And that's how I feel about the Google Assistant on your Galaxy Watch 4. But look, not to worry. As you guys know, my mission is for you to get the most out of your devices. So here's all you need to know, including secret settings for your Google Assistant on your Galaxy Watch 4. Number one, go to your app shelf on your Galaxy Watch 4 and then go to settings and scroll down to apps. Then click on choose default apps. That setting is very important here. You will then see a whole bunch of default apps, and then you go to Digital Assistant, and then you will see another option that will pop up, which is called Default App. And if you haven't fiddled around with this yet, then this is blank, but go in there. That is important. Click on it, and choose Google Assistant as your default assistant for everything. Number two, just come out of there and go back all the way to settings. Again, settings here, scroll down to general, the tab general, and go in and enter text to speech. Go to preferred engine, and you may have done this already, but in case you didn't, choose speech services by Google. Number three, voice volume for your Google Assistant. How to adjust it in a couple of different ways, and this is important here. Go to your quick menu by simply swiping down from the top. Go to your volume shortcut. If you do not have it here, you can simply add it. If you don't have the volume shortcut, some people may don't have it, you can add it by clicking on the plus sign. And once you have the volume shortcut, click on the volume icon. You will see the volume menu, several options. The option that is responsible for the Google Assistant is simply media control. And here you can basically adjust the volume for your Google Assistant voice. Click on it and adjust it to your liking. Go up, go down. But there is another way of doing this. But before we go there is something else I want to show you in order for you to amplify your experience with the Google Assistant and the voice control. Go back to settings, go to general, go to text to speech, and then you see an option that is called TTS engine settings. Go in there. Scroll down to amplify speech volume and enable this option. And this is really important, because this will help you here for your Google Assistant to be louder than any other stuff you have maybe been playing or that's on. It will basically overcome that volume, and you will clearly hear what your Google Assistant is saying. Now, having said all of this, there's a really easy option to basically increase or lower the voice volume of your Google Assistant. You simply ask her or him, whatever voice you prefer, to do just that. By asking your Google Assistant, for example, can you speak louder? Or can you increase voice volume? Or basically, you can also say lower the voice volume. But you can also ask your Google Assistant simply to increase voice volume to the maximum output. All of this works brilliantly. Another pro tip to make your Google Assistant for your Galaxy Watch 4 way more efficient is basically to disable the following. Please go to your app shelf, go to Bixby. Yes, you heard correct. Go to Bixby, open up Bixby, scroll down to settings for Bixby all the way. You click on it, you go into settings, go into the option voice wake up. And that is important, because what we're going to do here, we disable Bixby. If you don't want to use it, if you want to have Google Assistant, full stop, go in, disable voice wake up now. And this will help with any confusion of which assistant is responding to which command for your Galaxy Watch 4.